This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Liberian donuts. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, sugar, and active dry yeast. Warm water is crucial for activating the yeast. Don't forget a pinch of salt, some ground nutmeg for that authentic flavor, and a splash of vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get our hands into the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients first. Then, slowly incorporate the warm water, mixing until a soft, sticky dough forms. This is where the magic begins. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes on a lightly floured surface. You'll notice it becoming smooth and wonderfully elastic, ready for its first rise. After kneading, it's time for the dough to rest and rise. Place it in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it sit in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Then, roll it out to about 1/2 inch thick. Finally, cut your donuts into traditional rounds or any fun shapes you prefer. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for: frying. Heat your vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop the shaped donuts into the hot oil, frying them in small batches. Flip them once they're golden brown on one side, ensuring even cooking. Once perfectly golden, remove them, drain any excess oil, and serve warm. Enjoy your homemade Liberian donuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.